Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Look, this is a update of the old truck. Of course, I can update. This has to be washed. I think I did a long video of this about 2 years ago. I think the truck got older. It's a nice truck, but it's old. It's older. So this can be an update video of it. I think it used to be black, now it's gray. Maybe the sun faded it, so I think this is a 66 Ford F100. This is custom. You can see about the paint job. I have a purple tinted windows. That's the update. So, yeah. This will be the update video. So, this will be the update video. So, I don't think this video is gonna be any longer than this one. This is custom, so let me take a picture. The rims, like the rims of this truck. Great, very great. I love the truck. Need a good bath. I think it's all the pollen on them. So, I think need a paint job. New paint job. Kind of paint this black. Maybe need to get new fix up. This truck is good. It's good. So I love the truck. It's a Ford. It's wonderful. I mean, this was a usable truck in the late 60s. Now you can take it to car shows and show it off to friends. That's how I like it. Showed off. You can show it off to friends and family. So yeah, it does have a full bed. Let me take a picture. I do love it. It has a full bed to it. Fantastic. So I think this is it for this review. I give it a 9.7 out of 10 for this truck. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. And we're going to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.